Yo, welcome back. So let's continue on this project. So right now I had my brother come over here and help me pull off the hood. It's right over here because we got to get the underside painted white before we can start top coating everything. But yeah, let's get at that right now. Now we are all wrapped up and pretty much ready for paint right now. It's been about a week delay because we had some really hard rain, and the booth that I use, which is out there, is an inflatable paint booth. You know, it just takes pretty much gets pumped up with air and inflates just like a little bouncy house. Let me show you real quick. We will show you up a blow view in a second. I'm just describing what's going on. It's right there. But yeah, when it rained hard, I can't have that up. The rain weighs it all down and it's a nightmare. So last week was just all drenching and raining in all week. So now we're at it. Car's all messed up. A little bit of overkill, but you know that's what I do. Overkill, be extra. We're gonna be blending into the fenders. These pieces will be painted inside the booth. I wish I had a bigger area so I could paint them all in one area, but I don't. So this will be in the garage and that will be in the booth over there. Alright, so now the booth's all blown up. Showed you guys that quick time lapse. Brother's in here getting ready right now. It's a little dirty. You in there helping me prep, getting it all ready. But yeah, that's pretty much how it works. It's a pain in the ass to get it set up, but it definitely does its job for a guy like myself who does a lot of work at home, you know. So I'm gonna get ready, suit it up and get ready for paint it. We'll see you in a bit. So let me show you what guns I'm gonna be using before I start everything. I think I'm gonna choose the LPH 400. Had this gun for like over 16 years. Gonna be using this LPH 400 with the orange cap for the white base and the white sealer. And then on to the next stage, I will be finishing it off with the LPH 400 with the purple cap on the tri-coat pearl stage. And last, finish it off with the Supernova for clear. Got so much guns, it's hard to make up my mind, but those are my all-time favorites for sure. So, all right, let's get at that right now. Yeah, so right now it's in primer sealer, waiting for it to flash off and dry so I can do base coat. So far, I already sprayed the fenders and blended those white already while we're waiting on this to dry. Colors are real pain in the ass. I actually hate it. But yep, this looks almost about ready for a base coat and spray and pray. So this is what I was talking about earlier. I already went ahead and put my base coat, my blender base coat, and I diluted it so it comes out about to here. I mean, color like this, it seems like we got to take it into the door to make it look right, but the customer's budget, it just doesn't work right now. So we're gonna make this work and just cross our fingers because I don't want to deal with the stress. So now that's all wrapped up and painted. Sorry I didn't get no footage of me actually painting it. That's boring stuff anyways. The reason is I'm running really late for work. This is my part-time thing, you know. So I'm gonna have the brother and the wife kind of put everything away for me, shut the booth down, shut the compressor off, so I can go shower right now and get ready for work. So I think it's about lights off right now. Day after spraying, so everything's pretty much dry. Came out really clean. So yesterday was a freaking nightmare, you know, almost late for work, trying to rush in to get this painted, but everything came out good. Everything's all done. We're just gonna start tearing things off and then seeing how everything looks in the sunlight, because this color was a nightmare and I don't think I want to do this color again. Technically it needed to be blended all the way out to the door, but that wasn't in the customer's budget, so we made it work. So let's just cross our fingers when the sun comes out and we'll pull it off there. I'm gonna have my brother come and help me install the hood and go from there. So what's up? Yeah, we got the hood all lined up right now. For not blending towards the door, the color actually looks really good. Definitely has a weird flop and I hate this color with passion now. But I think I'm happy. Unless the customer says otherwise, then I'll, you know, we do something with it. But other than that, it looks good. Now we are ready for the next step, which is assemble everything back on the bumper. We're just reversing exactly what we did to begin with, you know, stripping it, and gonna reverse it and slap everything back on. First off, I got to address something. Nobody's perfect. Had a little sag in here, but that's all taken care of now. It's all buffed out. I'm not gonna leave that out of the video. I mean, it's better to let everybody know that even the good ones, the guys with the veterans, make mistakes. So yeah, I had a little tiny sag in there. Usually do, because try to get the gun in there. It's dark in the booth, but like I said, all taken care of. Doesn't even matter as long as the outcome is all fixed and good for the customer, and that's it. So we're gonna get everything installed right now. I'm just gonna slap it on the time lapse, and let's get at that right now. Yep, car's all done. Customer's over there. Say what's up, Dre. And for Dre, what's up? That's his girl, Slavic over there. Small world, I work with this cat over here. Isn't that crazy? He brings him over to my house.
I'm inspector right now. I'm inspecting.
Hey, that's the QA right there. He just rubbed his finger all over dirt and scratched it up.
Hey, watch your finger, dude. Watch your finger.
But yeah, it's all done, and he's here to pick it up. And so far, he seems happy.
Job well done.
A+.
A+. And his girl, Slavic, said it's cool too. All right, it's all done now. So now that Dre came and picked up the car, it's all done. He's happy. It's time to go in the house, call it a day, get ready for work, spend time with the family. But let's end this video with hauling at the fams rum. Social Junkies, tap in with them. That's the brand. Love to support the locals, especially the family and friends and all that. So tap in with the Social Junkies. All right, thank you for staying tuned. Catch you later.